Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set the clock on your Subaru Outback. First, ensure your vehicle's accessory power is on or the engine is running. This will activate the infotainment system. You'll be using the touchscreen display to navigate through the settings. This easy method will have your clock updated in just a few moments, ensuring you're always on time. Now, on your infotainment screen, look for the settings icon, usually represented by a gear. Tap on it to open the main settings menu. From there, you'll typically find an option labeled General or System. Select this to proceed. Within this section, locate and tap on Date/Time or Clock to access the adjustment screen. Once you're on the clock adjustment screen, you'll see options to modify the hours and minutes. Use the plus and minus buttons on the screen to set the correct hour. Then, do the same for the minutes until the time is accurate. Some systems may also offer a 12-hour versus 24-hour format choice. Make sure to confirm your selections to save the new time. After setting the hours and minutes, take a moment to verify that the displayed time is exactly right. Once confirmed, simply exit the settings menu to return to your main infotainment screen. Your Subaru Outback's clock is now accurately set. Also, for other great deals, and to check out those darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.